Hey, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to another episode where we pit the best products against each other to help you make the smartest purchase. Today, we have a showdown between two heavyweights in the robot vacuum ring, the Roborock Q7 Max on the left and the Ecovacs DEEBOT T30S on the right. Let's see who will suck the competition dry and who will mop the floor with the other. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk suction power. The Roborock Q7 Max boasts a solid 4,200 pascals suction. That's strong enough to lift debris, pet hair, and maybe even your spirits on a bad day. But wait, the DEEBOT T30S comes in with a jaw-dropping 11,000 pascals suction. That's like having a mini tornado cleaning your floors. If the Q7 Max is a vacuum, the T30S is a black hole. Your dust bunnies don't stand a chance. According to Amazon reviews, users love the Q7 Max for its powerful performance and customizable suction settings, but the T30S truly impresses with its over-the-top suction power. Next, mopping abilities. The Roborock Q7 Max can vacuum and mop simultaneously. With 30 water flow levels, it's like having a personal butler who knows exactly how you like your floors cleaned. Reviewers appreciate its ability to adapt to different surfaces and avoid obstacles efficiently. Meanwhile, the DEEBOT T30S has true edge adaptive edge mopping, which sounds like something from a sci-fi movie. It can clean edges and corners with 1 millimeter accuracy. It's like the difference between an artist and a kindergartner with a crayon. Users are impressed by its meticulous cleaning and self-washing feature. This one's a tough call, but the T30S takes the edge, literally. Now, let's talk navigation. The Roborock Q7 Max uses PreciSense LiDAR Navigation. It's accurate, builds 3D maps, and can even recreate your home virtually. It's like having Google Maps for your living room. Users love its efficient mapping and ability to avoid obstacles. On the other hand, the DEEBOT T30S has True Detect 3D 3.0 and True Mapping 2.0. It avoids obstacles like a ninja and maps your home faster than you can say, "I've lost my keys." Reviewers praise its quick mapping and precise navigation. Both are impressive, but the T30S wins for making your home feel like it's got its own security system. Maintenance time. The Roborock Q7 Max has a combined dustbin and water tank, making cleaning less of a chore. Plus, its all-rubber brush resists hair tangles, perfect for pet owners or anyone with a Rapunzel complex. Reviewers love its ease of maintenance and efficient cleaning. The DEEBOT T30S, however, has the all-in-one Omni station. It self-empties, washes the mop with hot water, refills itself, and even dries the mop with hot air. Basically, it's the Martha Stewart of robot vacuums. Users are thrilled with its self-sufficiency and minimal maintenance needs. Sorry, Roborock, but the T30S is like having a robot maid. Round goes to DEEBOT. Finally, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Price. The Roborock Q7 Max comes in at $599. Not bad for what it offers. Reviewers appreciate its value for money and robust performance. The DEEBOT T30S, on the other hand, will set you back a hefty $999. That's a $400 difference, folks. You could buy another Q7 Max and still have change for a pizza. While users love its advanced features, the high price tag is a consideration. So if you're on a budget, the Q7 Max is your go-to. DEEBOT, you may have all the bells and whistles, but you're also ringing up quite the bill. In summary, the Roborock Q7 Max is praised for its powerful performance, efficient mapping, and value for money, making it a solid choice for those on a budget. The Ecovacs DEEBOT T30S, on the other hand, impresses with its exceptional suction power, precise mopping, and self-sufficiency, but comes at a higher price. Both products have garnered positive reviews, but your choice will depend on your specific needs and budget. So there you have it, folks. The Roborock Q7 Max is the budget-friendly, reliable option, while the Ecovacs DEEBOT T30S is the luxury model that does everything but cook you dinner. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more smart buying advice. Until next time, keep buying smart. Product links are in the description.